Let me bring Sanjeev in. Sanjeev, if I can, get your point of view on collecting consumer feedback and then looping that into the business.
Thank you very much for this opportunity. I just want to understand from everybody, all our customer in the shopping malls, all our customer in the shopping malls, is that your need is to go for a shopping, go for a movie and go for a food? That's all. I think nobody is bothered about what actually customer wants. Being sitting in a metropolitan city, I think that is not the requirement of the customers. Customer wants something else. And nobody bother in India to understand the customer requirements. All the brands are available in every corner of the city. That is not the requirement. Something out of the box we should think about that. I'm talking about the mall developers, I'm talking about those are into the field. Please take the feedback from every customer. Just try to understand what they want. I'm sure you will get the feedback and you will think about what is actually required. Brands are available everywhere. That's all I want to say, because customer feedback is the key, and nobody's bothered and nobody's working to analyze the requirements. I absolutely understand and accepting the fact from Mr. Agarwal, on the spot solutions are possible with the what you called as constant training, constant in-house training or outsource training. But again, nobody's bothered to take the feedback to the top level, what they want. Maybe change in the design of the product, maybe change in the requirement of the product. Many questions are still unanswered, I think.
Yeah, and I think what's really relevant from your point of view is that if you actually look at all the malls that we have, and if we use that as an example, most of them look like the same thing.
Oh yes,
right?
oh yes.
So
Nobody is actually hitting the mass psychology actually. All are bored, and myself is bored. I don't have any place where I can go. Apart from the Kingdom of Dreams, I understand maybe out of the class product. Otherwise, nothing is available in India, boss. That's my feedback to all. Why not we announce prizes to the good ideas, applicable to developers, applicable to retailers. If your idea really change the process, change the product, enhance the product, we'll suitably awarded you. Trust me, you are going to get very precise, very genuine feedback to your product, to your services. That's all.